Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking safety and choosing a nearby child who looks open. Use a calm voice and a clear smile. Children read tone before words. Once done, introduce yourself with a simple phrase and offer a toy or shared action. Make sure to kneel or sit to match their height so you feel less intimidating. This helps you seem friendly and equal. Keep your first interaction brief and upbeat so the child stays curious rather than overwhelmed. You keep momentum by suggesting a small cooperative play idea and immediately joining. Explain why. Shared tasks create natural turns and conversation, which builds trust faster than talking alone. Once done, mirror a few of their actions, then gently add a new idea to extend play. Invite them to stack blocks higher or count aloud together. Make sure to alternate who leads. This models fairness. If they accept, praise specifics. Great sharing. You finish by making the connection last. Propose a tiny plan for later. Let's build the blue tower again at snack. Explain why it matters. A repeat cue signals safety and expectation. Once done, give one specific compliment to reinforce the moment and say goodbye positively so they remember the interaction. If things go wrong, make sure to step back and give them 5-10 minutes of space, then reapproach gently. Children often need a short reset before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.